Welcome to WildBird Discovery. Under the seemingly peaceful, deep green waters of the wetlands, a massive, dark shadow glides silently. That is the Asian water monitor, a cold-blooded assassin stepped straight out of prehistoric times. With its sharply pointed head and soulless eyes, it is beginning its hunt. To the world of waterfowl, the appearance of this giant is their worst nightmare. Throughout the breeding season, pairs of bung-eat birds have meticulously nurtured and guarded every single egg in their nests. But the water monitor's incredibly sharp sense of smell has guided it right to them. Nest after nest is overturned. Egg after egg is devoured. Not a single chick gets the chance to see the light of day. But they have reached their breaking point. Look there. The monitor lizard's forked tongue continuously flicks in and out, searching for the scent of the next nest. The hunter's ruthless audacity has ignited a wave of absolute fury. From the water edge bushes, tiny shadows of the bung-eat birds begin to emerge. They are no longer running away. Today, they have decided to stand up and settle the score. A breathtaking showdown unfolds between a heavily armored giant weighing dozens of kilograms and tiny feathered wings weighing mere hundreds of grams. Heart-wrenching cries echo across the swamp. The parent birds repeatedly skim the water's surface, flapping their wings furiously to distract and drive away the enemy. Summoning every ounce of their remaining strength, they dive like suicide arrows to protect what little they have left. Yet, nature is inherently indifferent and cruel. The water monitor continues its relentless advance, completely unfazed by the pecks or feeble cries of the flock. Its armor-like skin shields it entirely. Turning its body, it thrashes its powerful, long tail as a grim warning. In the world of the swamp, the strong ride the rules. Having ravaged everything in its path, the water monitor slowly swims toward the dense foliage along the bank to retreat. It vanishes into the darkness of the undergrowth, leaving behind a rippling sheet of water and an eerie, chilling silence. A breeding season lost. Not a single bung-eat chick survives. The battle for survival in the swamp ends in the tears of the mother birds. But the ancient laws of nature remain unchanged. They will have to grow stronger, find safer, more hidden nesting spots, and prepare for a brand new battle of survival in the next season. Subscribe to our channel to catch more fascinating videos of the natural world. We are WildBird Discovery.